Follow me.
Hello guys, this is Ben, and today finally I received all the Trident 660 accessories I ordered from eBay, from any other dealer. So basically right now on the table is all the accessories I need currently. So I will do a quick unboxing. Let's see what accessories I bought, and after this unboxing tomorrow, I'm gonna go have all of them installed on my Trident 660. So without further ado, let's get it started. So number one, let's open this one. This one off. Evothech. I think you already know what that will be. Oh, ah. What's this? Keep falling off. Okay, that's all. Let's double check if there's anything still in the box. Voila. Okay, so let's take a look. This is the Radiator Guard with 6, I don't know what that is. 1 2 3 4 5 6 Evothech Radiator Guard. Okay, then let's move to the next. Let's put it there. Next is in an envelope, and let's open it. This one was shipped from Thailand, and this one is yes, screen protector, Triumph Trident 660. Let's open it. This is some tools for install. Then let's see the protect. Oh, this one. They have 2, 3. One, 2, 3. Okay, so this one is done. Let's put it back. No, just put it there. Okay, now goes to the next. There's a frame slider, I think. This is newly arrived. This is from Triumph, shipped from, I think, from Germany or somewhere. This goes here. No. This is all the bolts and nuts. take a look. Triumph original frame slider. Looks pretty cool, huh? Tomorrow we'll have it installed from the Triumph Philippine store. I already made a appointment to them. Tomorrow early morning I will go there and pay some labor costs for them to help us install. Okay, that's item number 3. Finish. Let's pull it like that. So next one, item number 4, also Triumph original tank pad. This came together with the slider. Let's put it here. Put it here. Okay. Next is the front fork wheel slider. Okay. This one actually I unboxed it once it arrived, but I never peeled off this plastic. This one, yeah, with the Triumph logo. I don't know whether it's original or not. So let's put it there. Next one is these two came together. This is the Mud Guard extension, because as you all know, the stock Mud Guard, it doesn't work pretty well, so I assume we need to have it extended. Where's the open here? Yeah. So here, one is the front wheel, one is the back wheel. To be honest, I don't know which is which. So I guess this is the back, this is the front, like that. Front and back, or front and back. Anyway, tomorrow we'll find out. So here's the, let's put away this thing. So this is item 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now let's go to the last one, item 7. Let's put it here and here and here and here and here and here. Okay, last one. Let's open it. This one is the brake lever. And I remember it's adjustable, because the stock clutch isn't adjustable. Ooh, pretty dope. Why won't you come out? Yes. Which is which? Oh, sorry. Let's have a look. This is the brake, front brake, I think. How to adjust it? Number is adjustable. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this one can be extended, but I think I need to unscrew this one to make it extended. Then this one's supposed to be the clutch. Also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, this is the clutch. This is the brake. And this one can be extended from here to here. Pretty dope, huh? Okay, that's all the 7 items I've been waiting, and they came from different corner of the world. Then so since the number is 7, it's pretty similar, like, I don't know if you know a cartoon, which is there's a small boy collecting 7 Dragon Ball. And now I can make a wish. Okay, the wish: tomorrow I will have all of this installed on my bike. Then basically for currently, that's all I need. Then I will see if in future, I forgot to say, I have also ordered the quick shifter from the Triumph Philippine store, and it's not yet shipped here, so I will be patiently waiting. That's the last one. I will post another video that all of them are installed on my bike. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.